Hello everyone, it's exam time again, and the content of today's exam gonna be vocabularies from lesson 35 to lesson 39. So if you haven't watched the videos, you can try to watch lesson 35 to lesson 39 videos first, and also the quiz session in order to do better in this exam. The first question: which one is the Hanzi of Li Kai? Do you guys still remember or not? So A is Yi Hao, B is Yi Qian, C is Li Kai, and D is Fen Kai. So C is the right answer. The next question: which one is the Hanzi of Zhan? This question is actually easy, right? Because we only have one Chinese character. But which one do you think is the right answer? A is Zhou, B is Zhang, C is Fei, and D is Zhuo. And B is the right answer for this question. The next one: which one is the Hanzi of Fei Ji? You can try to recall first. A is 飞机, B is 地铁, C is 公司, and D is 需要. And A is the correct answer for this question. Moving on to the next question: which one is the Hanzi of 忙? If you guys cannot remember, just try to guess first. A is 半, B is 全, C is 家, and D is 忙. So D is the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Which one is the Hanzi of 预习? Which one do you think is the correct answer? You can try to guess. A is 商场, B is 复习, C is 预习, and D is 参加. And 预习 here is C. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the Hanzi of 再单? So, which one is the right answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 再单, B is 买单, C is 现金, and D is 刷卡. Zaidan here is A. The next one, which one is the Hanzi of 出租车? This question is a little bit tricky, but I think you guys can get the right answer. Don't worry. A is 摩托车, B is 出租车, C is 受欢迎, and D is 自行车. 出租车 here is B. Let's move on to the next question. Which one is the Hanzi of 特殊? Which one do you think is the correct answer? I will give you time to think. A is 分手, B is 登录, C is 特殊, and D is 注字. So 特殊 here is C. And that's all for today's exam. So how was it? And how many questions did you get right? And don't worry, I think you guys can do better in the next exam. And I will see you guys there. See you.